Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to preserve your aloe vera oil. Now, in a previous video I showed you 3 ways to make aloe vera. One way was the heated way, one way was the cool way, and one way or cold way, and one way was the sensitive way of making it. But first of all, if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please do click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you can get new videos as they come out. The way to make the heated oil, you can also use the preservation method that I'm going to talk about in this video, in also the other 2 ways, which is the cold way and the sensitive way of making these oils. When you preserve this oil, you have to know that there are different methods of preservation, and one way that I have been able to preserve my oils is, number 1, I use a dark bottle when I store my oils, and I actually store my oils in the fridge. Yes. So I store it in the fridge, and when I store it in the fridge, I feel like they last longer. If you do add a preservation ingredient or agent, you can actually get these oils to last up to 6 months from my experiments and my usage. Now, I've added oils to this oil to help it, and like lavender oil and peppermint oil and even jojoba oil is known to be a kind of oil that will elongate the lifespan of an oil. So jojoba oil is one oil you might want to try out. And there are different ways of using aloe vera. You can use aloe vera for your skin, you can use aloe vera for your hair, and so many other ways. So if you've never tried using aloe vera in your hair before, please click that button to learn, the card that popped up, to learn how to use aloe vera in your hair, body, and skin. Now, if you want to learn how to make these oils, there are different ways you can make them. One question someone asked was, can you use coconut oil? Can you use any other oils apart from olive oil to make these oils? Yes, you can, but I will say that always try it out and see your results. I've only used olive oil and coconut oil to make this kind of recipes. So that is my experience with it. I've been able to use these oils and I find that they're very lubricating, and aloe vera has agents in it that helps you with your natural hair growth, and even you can use this on different types of hair. So don't be shy, give it a try today. Now, thank you so much for watching, and if this is your first time, remember, click that subscribe button, and guess what, we'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.